10:54 on the clock. Good morning guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'll be showing you how to grow your Instagram Reels organically, something that all of you have not asked for, but I'm making it anyway. So a few days back I posted a reel on my account which recently crossed more than 10k views, and the one I posted last night got a lot of love, more than I expected. It got over 3k views overnight. So today I'll be showing you exactly how to grow your Instagram Reels, although it's not really much and I'm not a big thing, but I'll be showing you few tips and tricks on how to grow your Instagram account through your Reels. 1, 2, 3 helpful tips and a bonus tip at the end, so stick to the end. It's not gonna be long, so I'll keep it short and simple. The easy way, the honest way, the organic way, but the methodical way. Let's get started. Well, the most important thing, do not believe whatever I say, because I'm just a regular Instagram user and I'm not the guru, so up to you. So first and foremost is music. Music plays a very essential key in Reels and in any video whatsoever. So make sure you choose the right music. How to use the music? Most of us would just go on YouTube, download a music, put it on a software, use it on a video and post it on Reels. That could be done. I have done it. It works. Well, actually the video that got 11k views had the same method. But I'm not saying that's wrong. What I'm saying is if you want to grow more engagement, there's another way. Yeah, so you all know TikTok, right? Yeah, the same old cringy app which you guys all called out for. Well, there's something to learn from that app. In that app, there was a music library. So if I have a certain audio library, like a certain audio which I use in my video, other person can come and use the same audio from my music, and then they can have a whole stash of all the videos made from that particular audio. Now, if that is a popular audio and if your video stands out well, you have a good chance of getting a good engagement. I'll show you how. You can click on that music icon, go to the entire library and see for your video and see how all the other videos are working. You can have a better understanding on how to work on your next video, and you have a better chance of getting a good engagement. And unlike TikTok where you have to use the same audio again and again, on Instagram Music, if you choose a certain music, you can even choose what part of the music you'd like to put in the video. So you have that liberty. So what I'm saying is, use music from other softwares, no worries. But when you're coming down to Reels and using it on Instagram Reels, make sure you're using Instagram Music. That'll help you boost your post a little bit. Number 2. Make content that makes you stand out from the crowd, as I've said before, and make your own style. What does that mean? Well, see, someone might enjoy making makeup videos, someone might enjoy making vlogs, someone else might just enjoy making dance videos. So everyone has their own category of art, but everyone also has their own style. Not everyone should have the same type of representation. Make your content stand out, so as soon as someone looks at your stuff, they're like, okay, this is from that creator. Be it some visual effects, be it sound effect, be it the intro. Coming to that point, make your intros very, very catchy. The first 3 seconds of your Instagram Reels should be the most interactive part, since Instagram Reels is for 15 seconds, so 3 seconds it makes it 1/5 of the entire video, which makes sense, I guess. And similarly for the 30-second Reels video, 6 seconds should be more than enough. Although I wouldn't recommend going above the 15-second mark, because once a person shares it to their story, they can only see it till 15 seconds, so it doesn't make sense. You can also make it stand out by making the thumbnail real catchy. So how to make the thumbnail of a Reel video? Simple, just add a picture to any part of the video, whatever your thumbnail is. Just put it on the video for like a fraction of a second. I would recommend putting that frame at the end of the video, since it loops over there, and that is the part where it actually just jump cuts and you can't see it. When you're posting the Reels, you can go and change the cover of Instagram Reels and choose that particular frame. Looks great on the feed and does the job. The third and the most important topic out of everything is make quality videos. Just by following the same trend won't make you stand out, won't make your content reach better audiences, won't make you look like, oh, I'm so cool, I make good content. No. So put in that extra effort, go onto a editing software, learn it, put that extra hour into the video, learn color grading, put a proper music, put the right sound effects, put the right titles, anything you want to make it stand out. If your video does not shout unique, there's no way people would actually like to share your stuff. But if you have a very loyal fan base, that's a different thing. But then for small creators like us, people don't really share the stuff until they really love it. So please, 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 this is my honest request to all of you using Instagram Reels. Please, all the creators, make quality content, make a video stand out and make a mark for yourself. And if you're a follower and want to support your favorite creator, there's a save button and like button and comment button. Use them as much as you want. Nothing makes a creator more happy than realizing that their followers actually love their content, so make sure you let them know about it. And the bonus tip that you all were waiting for, or not waiting for, well, that is to share the videos to your story every 4 to 5 days. Out of all of your followers, only 10% of them get to see your content on a regular basis. So there's high chances that someone might not have ever seen your reel video. So if you share the same reels 4-5 days later, there's a chance of them seeing that post again or for the first time, and it has a chance of you growing your account. So share your post every 4 to 5 days, and maybe on the 10th day, whatever suits you, but don't post it regularly, frequently. It just makes your story look annoying. Don't do that. Now, I'm obviously not a very popular person for you to listen to, or a very big creator with like huge number of likes or anything, but I just thought maybe I would share some parts of what I believed would make your Instagram reels grow. So if you guys like the video, if you guys think these would be helpful, make use of it. Nothing of a big deal. You don't have to give credits to me or anything. I just found it out. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you guys would like to see more short tutorials or anything of that sort, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Peace. See you guys in the next one.